In the first row, the objective is to find the sum of the population of all countries beginning with N. So if we type in equals SUMIF, the first parameter is the range which is tested against the criterion. Since the countries are being tested in this criterion, we should choose the range A2 to A15. The second parameter is the criterion, and that is the countries that begin with N. And the way we write this is we put open quotation, N, asterisk, close quotation. This asterisk is a wild card, and this is how we write beginning with N. Our third parameter is the range that needs to be summed, and the range that needs to be summed is the population range. So we select the range B2 to B15. Press enter. We got 9,998,000. So if we do a test and we sum up the countries, which are Norway and New Zealand, we also get the same answer. Hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to get more videos like this, and hit the bell to get notifications of the latest videos out. See you in the next video.